How to add WhatsApp button on Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a WhatsApp button and also put it into your Godaddy website. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over your dashboard of the GoDaddy website editor or builder. So as you can see here, we have all the information about our GoDaddy website. We have the favicon of the account. That means that we have already signed in for an account. And the next thing is to do here is to click on edit website at the right side of the screen. So once you have clicked on that, you're going to see the loading of the GoDaddy website editor. Now we are going to see here the multiple or the different items that are composing the website, and this is very good. Now we are going to head over a website called Elfsite to create a widget for our WhatsApp button with this simple platform. So all we need to do is to create an account within this platform. Then we are going to here hover the mouse above the widget. Then we are going to see the multiple organizations tools that you can see or the categorization as you can tell. So we are going to see here maybe chats. And on chats, we are going to see all-in-one Facebook, Instagram chats, Line, Telegram, Viber, and WhatsApp chat. We are going to select it. Now we are going to create the widget for free. This is the preview of the widget. We're going to click on it, and now we are going to see the editor of the widget. Here we have multiple templates. We're going to choose one of these templates. For example, general here, we have here a message field, white theme, also this one. So we are going to select maybe this one. Then we are going simply to continue with this template. Now you are going to put either your WhatsApp number or your link. So we are going to put here maybe a number like this. And this is it. Let's see here, three numbers, three, and we are going to put four. This is just like an American number. This is just a fake number and not a real number. So we are going to head over the content. Right here we have the modification that we can implement, such as the bubble icon. We have the bubble text. We have the picture. You can go ahead and change the picture by clicking on it. Then you are going to change it. The name, you can go ahead and put a name. The caption, as you can see, it is online here. And the label, which is the first message to appear to the customers when they click on the bubble or the button right here. So the start chat method, we have two. We have start chat button and also we have send message button. So we are going to put here this send message. This is more sophisticated. And here we have the settings. You can modify the position of the buttons, the position of the alignment of the chats, etc. We have open chat triggers and notification. For the appearances, you can modify the fonts and also all of the different colors that are combined here. So when you finish, you're going to click on add to website for free. You're going to get the as you can see here, the preview of the app. It is working. So now we are going to click on close, and now we are going to click on install, and then we are going to see an embed code, a share link, or a request installation. We are going to select here embed code, click on copy, and here from here you can see that we have some platform tutorials, but which is today's my turn to let you see how we can install that on GoDaddy. We're not going to visit the tutorials, but we are going simply to head over our website. Now we are going to select a case right there or a section. Then we are going to add it right here. So I'm going to add the specific section to this area between the header and also the video presentation. Now we are going to add a HTML section. So we are going to click on the search bar at the top, HTML. Then we are going to add it right here. And then we're going to implement our content here. So at the right side, we have HTML, we have the background, we have everything. The title, I'm going to put here contact us on WhatsApp, for example. Then we are going to paste the code right away. You're going to see here the bubble of or the button of our website, or not the website, the widget, as you can see, and here we have it. So if I want to preview it, you're going to see that. And here we have the button. When you click on it, it will go ahead and set the chat. It is not very optimized, but you're going to get some solution right there for this section. You can go ahead and make it a little bit bigger or smaller. It depends on you. And here we have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.